Yep. It's my new badge. This is 2023 Scout Rogue. I changed the badging. Both sides. I think it looks great. It's a iconic azul color, and I think it looks nice instead of the other style. A little pricey for both of them, but you know how it is. Nice things come at a special cost. Anyway, okay, just thought I'd show it to you guys, give you some ideas if you decide to do something different to your bike. I have the model number for both of them, left and right. And if you have any questions, let me know. The other badges came off pretty easy. I heated them and then I used a fishing line to take it off. And I put these guys on. And I think it looks great. All right, guys. Oh, my handlebars too. I love my handlebars. These are new also. FMB with the cables going through, not the cables, but the wiring going through the handlebars. And then also my 180 tire. I love it. It feels good. Rides good. No problems at all. Not losing any air. Riding real smooth. That's also a Metzler. The bearded bobber. He gave me the size, and I put it on. I love it. I think it's great. I wish I could go bigger, but that's the biggest I can go. Anyway. Okay, everyone. Have a great day. Peace.